Welcome to Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today, we're in an all-new 2024 Aviara AV36 Outboard. Ordinarily, we start off at the back of the boat, but today, we're starting off at the bow. So here we are. You see big open seating up here. I mean, I'm saying not just big as in big area, deep. So you have very deep freeboard up here. Very safe place to ride, even on rough days. We'll go back into the cockpit here. You can see a nice big seating area here, very, very welcoming, very entertaining. This seat back here converts, so if you want to be facing backwards, you certainly can be, or if you want to be forward facing, have a bolster, you got all of the above with this seat. Over here at the helm, you can see we have captain and co-captain seat, bolstered on both of them. You can kind of see this is neat. We got our joystick and our binnacle, but right now you see on this big screen this warning hazard because we have the sky hook on. So that is a GPS anchor. The motors are shifting and doing what they need to do to hold us in place while we make this video. So something kind of different, kind of neat. All right, and over here on the starboard side of the boat, we have our wet bar. This one is equipped with the sink, bottle storage over here. Under here is going to be your grill, and then your storage next to your grill for utensils, paper plates, plastic cutlery, that sort of a thing, with two big refrigerators underneath. And of course, if you don't have enough room in those, you got a cooler you can carry off of here, fill it up with ice, whatever you need, keep you going through the day. Coming towards the back of the boat here, you'll see one of my other favorite features of this boat: dedicated fender storage. No more asking your people sitting in the seats to get up, so you can get the stuff out from under the seats to tie the boat up. Dedicated fender storage back here. And of course, the ever famous Aviara stadium style seats. So you can have your sun lounger positioned the way it is, or lift all three of these up. Have rear facing seats. Gas assist lifts on these. Allows you to make stadium style seating for you and your passengers while watching a shootout or hanging out at your favorite cove. Alright, back here you can hear these rally motors shifting around. These are the triple 300 4-stroke Mercuries. See it shifts there. So in order to hold the boat right where it's at. Pretty neat technology we have on these boats. Alright guys, Captain Ben Beecher here again, Lake of the Ozarks MarineMax. Thanks for taking the time to go through this 2024 Aviara AV36 Outboard. Thanks, and have a great day.